Peace of mind on a plate. How to build a 30-day emergency food supply. What would you do if the grocery store suddenly ran empty, or you couldn't leave your home for weeks? It's not a fun thing to think about, but it is a realistic one. And here's the good news. Being prepared doesn't mean panic buying or filling your basement with strange, dusty survival rations you'll never touch. It simply means giving yourself one powerful advantage: peace of mind. Because when something unexpected happens, a brutal winter storm, a power outage, or supply chain disruptions, you don't want to be scrambling. You want to be calm, confident, and in control. And that starts with something simple: food you already know and trust. If building a 30-day food supply sounds overwhelming, don't worry, you're not expected to do this overnight. The smartest way to do it is slowly, intentionally, and in a way that fits your everyday life. Let's break it down. The first and most important rule is simple: eat what you store, and store what you eat. A lot of people make the mistake of buying emergency food they've never even tried before. Giant tubs of dehydrated meals. In a real emergency, your body is already dealing with stress. The last thing you want is to shock it with unfamiliar food. Think about your normal routine. What do you already eat? Pasta, rice dishes, oatmeal in the morning, peanut butter sandwiches. If pasta night is a staple, then dry noodles and jarred sauce should be part of your supply. The goal is comfort and familiarity. Next is getting a rough idea of how much food you actually need. Aim for about 2,000 calories per person, per day. Over 30 days, that adds up to around 60,000 calories per person. Having that number in mind helps you build a realistic stockpile. And just as important, if not more, is water. You'll need at least 1 gallon of water per person, per day. Over a month, that's 30 gallons per person. It sounds like a lot, because it is. But water is non-negotiable. Now let's talk about balance. Start with complex carbohydrates. These are your energy base. White rice is a great option. Next comes protein. This keeps you full and supports your body. Canned beans are a powerhouse, cheap and easy to prepare. Add canned tuna or chicken for variety, and peanut butter for calories. These are excellent shelf-stable options. Then you'll want fruits and vegetables. Canned versions are your best friend. Corn, green beans, and peas last a long time. Don't forget healthy fats. Olive oil, coconut oil, or ghee can increase calorie intake and make meals more satisfying. And then there's morale. Small comforts go a long way. Chocolate, coffee, or tea help you feel normal during uncertainty. Spices matter too. Salt, pepper, and bouillon cubes can transform basic ingredients into something you actually want to eat. Now that you have your food, you need to store it properly. Food has 3 enemies: heat, light, and moisture. For items like rice and flour, move them into airtight containers. This keeps moisture out and prevents pests. Use the first in, first out system. Place new items behind older ones. This ensures nothing expires unnoticed. Imagine having shelves full of canned food and no way to open them. A sturdy manual can opener is essential. If your power goes out, how will you cook? A simple camping stove with extra fuel can make a huge difference. Building a 30-day food supply doesn't mean dropping hundreds of dollars. Instead, use the +1 method. Before you know it, what started as a small habit turns into a full month of food security and quiet confidence. What's the first item you're going to add to your pantry this week? Let me know in the comments below.